chemistry, I found a new tool that I wanted to share with you guys, and I'm going to kind of walk you through how to use it here. It is called Cami, and it will make writing answers in these Gizmo worksheets 1,000 times easier. Okay, that's probably an exaggeration, but it feels like 1,000 times easier. So if you open up a PDF version, which I've now put in our chemistry class, you'll notice that, obviously you can't write on it, you can't do anything, but if you click open with, there's a program called Cami, and this is a Google extension. So first thing you need to do before you do this is open a new tab, go to Chrome extensions, and once you are there, and you should have no problem installing this, we'll see, search for Cami. And it's this first one that pops up. It is free, and what it will do is it will put this little purple K up in the upper right corner or somewhere on your browser, so that when you have a PDF open like this, you can click on the open with, and it will now have the option to annotate with Cami. So when you click on that, it's going to open up the PDF in a new tab. And since you don't own the file, it's going to be a little different than what I have sitting right here. When you actually go to make an edit, it will prompt you to create a copy. So you're going to want to do that first. And then you'll submit it just like you do with every other Google Doc assignment. But what I love about this is it's got a bunch of different things. You can choose a text and highlight it a certain color, and you can draw and make it all pretty and scribbly. But what's really going to be awesome, and actually I don't know where the eraser is, maybe, there we go. Okay, let's get rid of that. What I think you're going to find to be the most helpful is the text box. And so you can click on the text box and then just click where you want to start writing, and you can just type right on top of a PDF file, and it saves it, and that way you don't have to deal with these lines shifting on you like in a Google Doc. And PDFs typically aren't editable, so this makes them act just like a worksheet, and then as you scroll down and then come back, your answers stay. And of course you can make it all sorts of fun colors. I just request please no yellow or red or orange. You can tell my favorite colors are not in that area, but my old lady eyes especially can't handle yellow. So I want to pass this tip on to you so that you can use that if you haven't started the colligative properties yet, or even if you want to jump on over, you're welcome to do that. This is now linked in the assignment in our chemistry class as well. So if you have any questions about it or have any trouble installing it, please let me know. They told us you should be able to just put the extension in, no problem. So fingers crossed, that is actually true. All right. Thank you guys, and maybe I'll see you in our live office hours tomorrow.